shoot. I just redid the video somehow.
How?
Like I pushed up the volume and then it started over.
Hello again.
Yeah, we accidentally turned up the volume. This will be part 2 of it, but sorry about that. We will continue our adventure. Whoa!
Yeah.
Like, fuck this Goomba, fuck you. Yes, we have been way down there. It took us like 20 minutes to get there if we just walked that way.
Yeah, if I can hold it.
What the fuck? Goomba, fuck you. Look what's on top. Fucking snow. What the hell? I'm moving. Let's go. We have went far this way. But hopefully today we will be going the other direction across the highway.
It'll get too dark. So.
Yeah.
Hey,
Once it gets dark.
Put the camera up. They can't see. Hi.
It's the boom.
Do you see me?
Yeah.
You do? Okay.
As you can see, we are in like a big ditch of a creek, but
Yeah, we went up there too.
yeah, we've been way up there before. The Sheraton was the hardest of climbing. That's kind of weird because I'm tinier and I can still climb. Yeah. Oh crap! The snow keeps breaking. And as you can see, we can do the limbo right here. Bum 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 bum. All right, we did it. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching this part 2.